going on, everyone? It's Jay with Trader X, and today I'm going to go over another day trading recap with you guys. So today I ended the day up 140. I took 3 different trades on 2 different stocks, and I'll go through that with you right now. So today was a pretty quick day. I was in and out within like 15 minutes of trading with the market, and my first trade was on ticker symbol DATS, and I got in at the price point 238. So the reason why I got into this stock was because it was also a top gapper like I've showed you guys, and at the price point it was at in the morning at around 230. If you look at it in the bigger time frame, it has the potential right around there. If I really zoom in, if you can see this resistance it had right around here at the price point 232, it's hit this price point before and fallen. That's why you can see a little candle right here, and once it fell here and started going again, when the market opened up around this price point, I viewed it once it pushed past the resistance to be able to shoot up a lot like it did. So I wanted to take part in that, and my first position was at 238 after the stock confirmed that it was going to uptrend by trading between the middle and top VWAP. It hit the top VWAP with like a 12% candle, which means it's very volatile, and I wanted to get in at a dip. The reason why I got in at 238 right around here was because I saw that the stock kept wanting to find a support area around here. It would hit here, try and bounce, hit here and try and bounce. So I got in that 238 at the lows, and unfortunately it ended up flushing me out literally like to the penny for a 5% stop loss down here at 227. So I got stopped out at the very low of it for a 5% loss with $500. That's $25 I was down right around, and I ended up getting into the stock again once it curled up again past the middle VWAP, this purplish line, and the EMA line, the blue line right here. So once it curled past it right below, I got stopped, and then once I saw it wanted to curl back up again and show signs of confirmation, I wanted to get in. So I got in with my initial position size of $500 right around here at the price point 240, as you can see right there. And the stock ended up going very fast. It was very volatile and it showed great signs of uptrend movement. So I wanted to average up once this stock pushed this resistance past it right here. As you can see earlier, it has a resistance around price point 254 where it hit and fell. And once I was looking for it to break this level so it could confirm signs that it was trying to keep going higher. So I averaged up at the price point 260, 262 right here with $1,500 to add to my full position. So now I'm with $2,000, and I averaged up right around this level, and I ended up selling for around 10 cents profit at 274, right around there. So that put me up $116 after, this is with my first trade being a loss of $25. So yeah, I decided to walk away, and I was fine with it because I did sell prematurely at like 273. It ends up hitting 323. I missed out on 20%, but I always ask myself the question, would I rather be in the position where I lock in profits early, but I do walk away with something in my pocket, right? I lock in profits instead of being in the position where I don't lock in anything, I get greedy and it ends up coming back down after it's pushed so high already, and I end up stopping out for a loss and taking a loss. And I've been in the position before where I've tried to hold and just keep being hopeful that it can run. And I've been in that position where I've tried to do that and it's gone south and ends up stopping me out. And it's really not enjoyable knowing I could have just locked in profits and walked away with still a decent amount. I don't want to get greedy. And yeah, it would just make me more emotional of a trader if I were to do that, and it would just stop me out. So I just think I'd rather be in the position to lock in profits. So I decided to lock it in after I had a nice push. And the other stock I traded was ticker symbol FSRD, and that one was a pretty quick trade. I decided to get in like the other one because it was volatile. It hit the top VWAP and it was a top gapper. It had like an 8% push, hit the top VWAP. I looked to get in at a support right around here at the price point 230, and I ended up selling at the price point 240, right around there for around almost a 5% push again, around $25 with $500. So yeah, the reason why I decided to sell this was just because it wasn't a top gapper anymore. It lost kind of its volume and volatility, and other stocks piled up on top of it that became higher gappers, so I just didn't want to get in. These stocks usually tend to die out like it kind of did. It ends up going again, but I was fine with where I cut it. I thought it was a smart thing to do. So that's going to be it for the day trading recap. Thank you all for watching. I was up 140 on a day, like I said. I traded 2 different stocks 3 different times. So if you guys all want, like the video, I'd appreciate it if you liked and subscribed and checked out our Instagram. We post there every day. Thank you guys again and have a great day.